Good morning, children. In the last class, we have studied classification of animals based on food habits and also on habitats. What is habitat? The natural place of living. Based on food habits, we classified animals into three types: plant-eating, herbivores, only meat-eating, carnivores, the animals which eat both plants and animals, omnivores. Based on habitat, we divided them into aquatic animals and terrestrial animals. We have also seen animals that live in deep sea, animals that live on canopies of the tree, top of the tree, and animals which live in the most salty lakes. Now here is a task for you. Name some habitats and list 3 animals that live in each of those habitats. See, one example is given for you. What is the habitat given here? Desert. What animals live there? Camel, scorpion, tortoise. You select 3 more habitats. You can select your garden as one habitat, pond is one habitat, tree is one habitat, sea is one habitat, river is one habitat, your school garden is one habitat, a zoo is one habitat, any one habitat you can. Zoo is not a natural habitat. You can take any natural habitats. Okay, you can take North Pole, polar regions as one of the habitats, equatorial region as one of the habitat. Whatever is the habitat, you select the habitat and write the names of animals. And one more type of classifying animals is depending on their relatedness. Depending on their relatedness. See, some animals will be having same features or characteristics. See here, children, touch your back like this, right from your neck. Can you feel a bone? What do we call it as? Backbone or spine. All of you. Put your hands near your neck. Pass till the end of your back. Could you feel your backbone? Yes. We call it a spine. Some of the scientists put all the animals which have backbone under one group called as vertebrates. Called as vertebrates. Okay, children. And the animals which do not have backbone are placed under a group called as invertebrates. Vertebrates. Invertebrates. What are vertebrates? Yes, the animals with backbone are called vertebrates. What are the animals without backbone? The animals without backbone are called as invertebrates. What is the other name for backbone? Spine. And there are lakhs and crores of vertebrates and invertebrates. So, all these invertebrates are again divided into various groups. Let us meet the first group of invertebrates. That is cnidarians. See the spelling? There is C, but which is silent. CNI. Cnidarians. Cnidarians. Some of the invertebrates are cnidarians. Jellyfish, which is not really a fish. Jellyfish, examples of cnidarians are jellyfish, corals, sea anemones. See, this is jellyfish. See, these are purely aquatic. They live in sea water. These are sponges. And this is sea anemone. Once again, jellyfish, sponges, sea anemone. See, they have tentacles, like finger-like tentacles. There are stinges on these tentacles. They catch food with these tentacles. Okay? They have to eat small sea fishes. They catch that prey with the tentacles. Okay, children? What is the first group of invertebrates? Cnidarians. Cnidarians. The second group is mollusks. Mollusks. Most of them live in water. If you go to beach, we see shells. These shells, these snails are nothing but mollusks. See, this is a land snail. The snail which lives on land. How is it moving slowly? See. If we touch the snail, it immediately goes and hides in the shell. These shells are made up of salts by mollusks. And one more example is octopus. This animal is called as octopus. See? Very interesting. Is it not? Yes. Octopus. And the next one is sea snail. If you go to seashore, Gavalayakostam kada? Those are nothing but sea snails. Land snail, octopus, sea snail all belong to mollusks. First group, cnidarians, jellyfish, sponges, sea anemones. Second group, mollusks, sea snail, land snail, octopus. The third group is arthropods. Arthro means jointed. If our hand is broken, we go to an orthopedician. So arthro, jointed legs. The animals that have jointed legs and do not have backbone. Do cnidarians have backbone? No. That's why in invertebrate. Do mollusks have backbone? No. Mollusks do not have backbone. Arthropods? No backbone but jointed legs. Arthropods are again divided into three groups. The insects, butterfly, cockroach, housefly, tumeda, dragonfly, all these belongs to insects. Observe any insect. They have 6 legs and 2 big antennae. Have you ever seen a cockroach? There will be big antennae like this. The antennae help them in sensing enemies, food. Okay, children? So they have 6 legs. Insects have 6 legs, 2 antennae, and they have wings. Of course, some insects, they do not have wings. Most of the insects have wings, beetles. And the second group is arachnid. What is this? Spider. Have you seen a scorpion? Telu? Telu kuda arachnids. Arachnids have how many legs? 8 legs. Arachnids have 8 legs. Okay, children? And the next group is crustacean. Crab, beta, lobster, prawn, all belong to crustaceans. And there are some others called as centipedes. Kalajeri chusara adugo chudandi. Centipede. Rokalibanda chusara. Millipede. They also belong to arthropod. This is the రోకలి బండ. మనం ఇప్పుడు వర్షాకాలం చూస్తాం కదా. Okay children, how many legs do arachnids have? Arachnids have 8 legs. Examples: spiders, scorpions, mite, నల్లి మంచాల మీద నల్లులు కొడతాయి కదా. Next, crustaceans. Example of crustaceans: lobsters, shrimps. Scorpion is what? Arachnid. Lobster, crustacean. Shrimp, prawn, crustacean. Almost all of them are aquatic. And the next group is echinoderm. Echino means spine. Mulu. Derm means skin. Spiny skin. Skin means emunnai? Spines. Echinoderms. See the examples. They live in sea. Almost all of them live in, all these animals, not almost, all live in big seas. Starfish. See, this is a starfish. An animal which has spiny skin and lives in sea. See, this is starfish. Lives in sea water. Starfish. See. Okay children. The next one is sea cucumber. Looking like a cucumber but spiny skin. Sea cucumber. And a beautiful animal. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. Starfish. Sea cucumber. Sea urchin. Skin చూడగానే చెప్పారు మీరు. I conduct a pictorial quiz on this. Okay children. Once again, examples of cnidarians: sponges, corals, jellyfish, sea anemone. All these are cnidarians. Next group, mollusks: land snail, sea snail, octopus. The next group is arthropods, insects. Yes, centipedes, millipedes. These all we see around our houses. Dragonfly, arachnids. Arachnids example: spider, scorpion, crustaceans. Some crustaceans live in water. తింటాం కదా మనం. Shrimp, lobster, crab, pita. All these are crustaceans. And what are the others in arthropods? Centipede. కాళ్ళజెర్రెలు, రోకలి బండలు, centipede and millipede. Now here, you know many animals. I have shown you videos also. Do this activity. Describe any 3 invertebrates. You can describe the ones in your videos now also that live around your home or school, and classify them by group. One example is given: mosquito, 6 legs, 2 antennae, 2 wings, a mouth. It belongs to which group? Insects. Okay children? You should fill it. You should look around in the garden, look around in your house, in school, and you have to fill this. With this we end the class. In the next class I will show you some more very interesting videos. Fill the look around first and then I will show you the videos. With this I stop the lesson.